Cheating is something that often confuses us. It happens in school, at work, and even in relationships. It means breaking the rules to get an unfair advantage. Let's dig into why people cheat and what it can tell us about how people think. People cheat for different reasons, which shows how complex our minds are. Some folks cheat because they really want to win and they'll do whatever it takes, even if it's not fair. They feel so much pressure to do well that they cheat to get ahead quickly. But on the flip side, some cheat because they're scared of failing. They don't want to let themselves or others down, so they cheat to avoid that feeling. Cheating can also be linked to not feeling good about yourself. Some people don't think they're good enough, so they cheat to prove they're better than they think. It's like a quick confidence boost, even though it's not honest. Sometimes, friends can play a role too. They might cheat so they don't get left behind by their buddies. They want to fit in and be seen as cool, so they cheat to keep up. Getting rewards right away can make cheating seem like a good idea. You might get better grades or more money quickly. But what's bad is that these rewards can make you forget about the problems cheating can cause down the road. Some cheaters also trick themselves into thinking that cheating isn't so bad. They might say the rules don't really apply to them, so they don't feel guilty. Cheating has consequences, though. When someone cheats, it breaks trust in relationships and places like school or work. Rebuilding trust takes a long time, and it's not easy. Surprisingly, cheating can actually make people feel worse about themselves. Even though it might make them feel good for a bit, the guilt can eat away at them. Cheating can also mess with what someone believes in. If you value honesty and then cheat, you're stuck in a kind of fight inside yourself. It can feel really confusing and upsetting. Plus, cheating doesn't help you learn and grow like you would if you did things the right way. Dealing with cheating is tough. If you've been cheated on, it can hurt a lot and make you really angry. It might make you wonder if you did something wrong. But remember, cheating is about the cheater's actions, not yours. Trust can be hard to give again after being cheated on. It's okay to take time to heal and feel better. Talking to a friend or someone who can listen might help you feel less alone and confused. Moving forward after being cheated on takes time. Focus on things that make you happy and spend time with people who care about you. Cheating is a complex thing, and it's not just about one person being bad. People cheat for many reasons, like wanting to succeed or feeling pressure from friends. Understanding these reasons can help us create a world where honesty and being fair are more important than cheating. Together, we can make a world where cheating isn't the easy way out and people can achieve success with integrity. As we conclude this exploration into the psychology of cheating, remember that understanding the motives behind such behavior can help us foster empathy and create a more compassionate world. Whether you've experienced the pain of betrayal or you're simply curious about human behavior, let's strive to promote honesty, integrity, and understanding. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking knowledge.